In this video, I'll show you how to hide apps on iPhone with iOS 26. It's super easy, but before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to hide any apps with iOS 26, for example, let's say I'm gonna hide the Facebook application. Now to do that, you just need to press and hold the application that you want to hide, and you'll get to see the option called Record Face ID. You just need to tap on this, and it's going to bring two different options: Record Face ID, and the second option is Hide and Record Face ID. We're just going to select the second option, Hide and Record Face ID, and this will record the Face ID, and tap on Hide App from this page, and boom, the application will be hidden from everywhere. Even you can't find the application in the app library here. If I search for Facebook, you'll get to see it's not showing. So now to find out or access to the hidden apps, you just need to swipe all the way to the app library and then scroll down, and here you get to see the option called hidden. You just need to tap on this, and this will record your Face ID or password, and here it's going to show you all the apps that you have hidden on your iPhone. Now to unhide, you can actually press and hold the application again and tap on Don't Record Face ID. This will record your Face ID again, and the app will be unhide from here. And this is how you can do this process. So if you find this very helpful, guys, if you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.